Dear friends, in this session we are going to see about how to calculate arithmetic mean under discrete series using shortcut method. So the formula for calculating arithmetic mean under discrete series in order to calculate under shortcut method is x bar equal to a plus summation fd divided by n, where a is the assumed mean, d equal to x minus a, where it is the deviation from x from a. Okay, it is the deviation of x from a. F equal to frequency of each x, frequency of each x given in the question, and n equal to summation f. N equal to what? Summation f, the total of all the values of f. Okay, so let me see one example. Example 1. So here marks is given, and in the second column number of students is given. So this value is called as f value, and marks column is called as x values, right? So here 40, 50, 54, 60, 68, 80. So these are the six values given. Number of students, so 10, 18, 20, 39, 15, next 8. Okay, so what we can do is we can take any of one value as assumed mean, that is a. So a equal to assumed mean here, a equal to assumed mean, so which might be any one of the number amongst these x values, right? So I am here fixing a equal to 60. So next what we have to calculate is d equal to x minus a. So this difference we need to calculate. So here a equal to 60. X values are given here in the first column. Okay. So 40 minus 60 is minus 20. Next is 50 minus 60 minus 10. 54 minus 60 is minus 6. Next is 0, then 8, then 20. So next is what? FD. We need to calculate FD. FD. F into D. Multiply F and D values. So for the first one, 10 into minus 20 is minus 200. For the second one, 18 into minus 10 is minus 180. Then minus 120. Then 0, then 120, next is 160. So the summation of FD equal to minus 220. Okay, so here n equal to summation f equal to 110. Okay. Then next, apply it in the formula. X bar equal to a plus summation fd divided by n. So which is what? A is 60, we already fixed. Summation fd is minus 220 divided by n. N is what we got? 110. Right? So which is what? 60 minus 220 divided by 110 is what? Minus 2, which is what? 58. X bar equal to 58. Thank you.